Hello, it's good to see you. Today we're stepping back in time. How cool is this train? These steam locomotives and carriages are over 100 years old. So buckle up and join us on this very special journey. My bonus sister and I will also be exploring parts of the famous historic timber slide walk nearby after the ride. And trust me, it's pretty awesome. So, let the adventure begin. But first, we need to get to the train station. Southern Norway's most beautiful train ride? That sounds promising. We are in Vennesla, just outside Kristiansand, where this unique 8-kilometer preserved railway line begins. It all starts here at Grovane station. This railway line opened in 1896 and today it operates as a living museum. Before boarding, we grabbed our tickets. Just look at this. Coal burning, steam rising. You can feel the history here with this old steam locomotive. Everything looks straight out of an old movie. How cool.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's so unique. This is not just about an old steam locomotive. It is a journey through stunning Norwegian nature. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. We are ready. You can also see the timber slide trail running close to the railroad. And yes, we definitely plan to explore that later. Some passengers only get a one-way ticket and then hike all the way back. After a short 8-kilometer trip, we arrived at Røyknes station. Originally, the railway was 78 kilometers or 49 miles long and played a major role in the region's industrial development. It shut down in 1962 when road vehicles took over. pretty fascinating to see how a steam locomotive works up close, and we even got to peek inside and talk to the train operators.
Ja, det vill jag tro. Nå begynner det å bli litt opp til nå, men
After an hour of staying and enjoying Røyknes station, we are ready to enjoy the return trip. Now from a different angle, we sat back and soaked in the beautiful views. Hi there, Cami, our camper van.
We're here.
If you ever visit this region, I highly recommend this experience. Just note, the train only runs from mid-June till early September.
That was worth every penny.
Yes. We couldn't skip the famous timber slide walk right next to the railway, so we came back and are now ready to explore a short section of it. I've never done a walk like this before. This is the longest and only remaining timber slide of its kind in Norway. It was once used to float timber logs down the river from the forest. Such cool engineering! The trail follows the riverbank with beautiful nature, wobbly bridges, through tunnels, and incredible views.
I didn't even have to bend down.
You can choose different starting points, walk a small section of it, or go the full 4-kilometer distance and back again. We walked from Steinsfossen waterfall to Pauland farm.
It's so nice to cool down. It's really warm today.
It's
nice and refreshing.
We enjoyed some lunch and then headed back.
Oi!
The slide was built between 1952 and 1957, and the last log passed through here in 1977. Later, it was restored and opened to the public. What a cool place it is! Both the train ride and the timber slide were unforgettable experiences. The perfect final to our summer camper van trip. If you missed how we got here, check out the previous episodes. We drove the scenic Setesdalsbanen Road, enjoyed van life, visited the home of Viking kings, stayed in a tiny cabin, discovered Haugalandet, made a stop in Stavanger, drove the beautiful North Sea route, and visited the unique Hydra Island. Before enjoying Southern Norway. And then we finally ended up here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, please like and subscribe. Bye!